Hello everyone. Today we will set up the Raspberry Pi and make the Raspberry Pi desktop. Previous session I told about Raspberry Pi introduction specification. Beginners should see that session and get some basic information about Raspberry Pi. Before start the session, I request all to subscribe our channel and show some support. As I told in previous session, to set up the Raspberry Pi, we need some hardware and software. The required hardware and software are listed below. I take here Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, Raspberry Pi power supply module, HDMI cable and 32GB SD card for system memory. Other system specifications like mouse, keyboard and monitor also present as well as. For monitor I take my room LCD TV. For download purpose, here I provide all links to download the Raspbian OS and software. To download and flashing the SD card, I use my laptop. So let's get started. After download the all file, install the SD card formatter. I already install it. Now insert the SD card to laptop. Open the SD card formatter and quick format the SD card. Then open the Balena HR, select the Raspbian file from your computer and click the flash option. It takes some time. After complete the process, take out the SD card from laptop. After flashing the SD card, take out the SD card from your laptop and insert it in the Raspberry Pi. The HDMI cable one side I connect with the LCD TV and other side I connect with the Raspberry Pi. I use here the Raspberry Pi official power supply module. To give the input order to the Raspberry Pi, I use here the wireless mouse and keyboard. After complete the all setup process, turn on the power supply of the Raspberry Pi. After over the session, if you learned anything new from this lecture and it was helpful for you, then kindly give a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have any specific question on Raspberry Pi, ask free in comment section. Thank you to everyone. Jai Hind.